Okay, students, now today I am going to teach you three examples. Okay, and these three examples is only starting for this new session of online or by the video teaching. So please be concentrate. First of all, here example number 1.10 is shows that you are given electric dipole moment which is 4 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb meter, and same as this dipole is in the electric field which is 5 to 10 raised to 4 Newton per coulomb, and the dipole moment is with 30 degree in with respect to electric field. So here you are given an electric field and the dipole here plus and minus, so the degree is 30 degree over here. So you have to find out how much torque is acting on this dipole. So it is very simple. If you memorize the formula of the dipole moment, torque of the on dipole moment on dipole. So torque is equal to P sin theta. P is here, E is here, and theta is 30. So sin 30. So 4 5s are 20 and sin 30 is equal to 1 half. The base is same, so 9 minus 9 plus 4, the result is minus 5. And same as 2 10s are 20, so 1 power on 10 and minus 5 on this 10. So by simplification you will get 10 raised to minus 4 Newton meter the torque applied on dipole. Now the example number 1.12, because 1.11 was already done. So now two spheres of the copper are given, A and B, and the distance between two spheres from their center, this is A and this is B, it is 50 centimeter distance is given. The charge on both are same, 6.5 to 10 raised to minus 7, and you have to find out the repulsive force between A and B. So how much repulsive force? So the charge is given and the distance is given. That means you have to apply the formula F is equal to KQ1 Q2 upon R square. It's very simple, but here you have QA is equal to QB is equal to Q. That means the magnitude of the charge, value of the charge is same for both. So you can write down KQ square, because Q into Q is equal to Q square. Now it's very simple. You have to only apply the values, and by calculation you can get the values of the force, repulsive force. Now in B, the charge are doubled. That means charges are doubled and the distance becomes half. So the new charge is 2q and new distance is r by 2. So from this formula you have to change only charge, q dash and r dash. So q dash square, r dash square. Q dash is equal to 2q whole square and r by 2 square. So 2 square is 4, r by 2, r square upon 4. The fourth goes to upside, so here fourth place. So 4 will go upside. 4 4s are 16 k q square upon r square. But k q square upon r square is nothing else but is f, which is found here. So you have to apply the values 16 into the value which is found by you from here. You can apply over here. You will get f dash. Now the 1.30 is also connected with 1.12. Here you are given a third sphere which has no any charge. That means the third sphere is chargeless, which is firstly connected with contact with A and then after with B. So in new situation, what is the repulsive force between A and B? So you know that firstly when it connect with contact with A, it will be the half of the charge. So q by 2 is distributed, and with this charge q by 2, it will goes to the contact with B, and after connecting B and C, they both will be gain 3 by 4, because q here you can see 1 plus 1 half, that is 3 by 2, and again 3 by 2 and 1 half, because it is after addition you have to make average of these two. So divide by 2, so 3 by 4. એનું બેને ભેગા કરીને પછી પાછું ફરી હાફ કરવાનું, એટલે 3 by 4q 3 by 4q. So this B and this A have the same distance again. So you can write F is equal to K QA dash QB dash upon R square, but QA dash is equal to Q by 2, QB dash is equal to 3Q by 4. So this denominator will goes downside, 4 to the 8 over here, 3 will goes in for initially. So this is unknown terms, KQ square upon R square, but KQ square upon R square is nothing else but F. So you will write here F, and you have to write down again the value of F. So 3 by 8 multiply by this F, you will get the result. So students, today I have given only 3 sums, but after this I will provide you more and more work to do, and you have to write down, you have to make notes, you have to send me the pages, the photos of the pages in WhatsApp to me. If you are not doing the same which is inform you, so I will call your parents. So maybe I will to be there at your home if you are not following me. Okay, so please write down this one. I am sending you photographs and calculate whatever given. And this new situation, we have to face new situation. So be a strong people, be a strong kids, and cooperate with us. Okay, આપણે 12મું બહુ સરસ રીતે પૂરું કરવું છે, રિઝલ્ટ લાવવું છે, અને આ પરિસ્થિતિનો સામનો કરવો છે. પરિસ્થિતિ આપણને ડરાવી ના જાય એટલા માટે બધાય સ્ટે હોમ, સેફ હો. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.